Welcome to Fine, Fun, and Fab. So for this episode, we're looking for healthier alternatives to snacking. So I have my snack haul from Gourmet Corner. Gourmet Corner is located at Santuario, in front of Santuario Church. It's actually a corner shop where you can buy local stuff, like healthier stuff. So I'm here with Nina. Nina, introduce yourself. Sino ka ba?
Hi! I'm Nina. I'm Snowy's COO. So I'm Jen's right hand. That's why I'm sitting on the right.
Palagi nasa right.
Palagi nasa right, no?
Okay. So
wow.
Nina here will help me. We're gonna try.
I will help her eat
these snacks, and we're gonna tell you our honest review. You're gonna see the reactions in our face if it's pretty good, right? First, let's try something from the Good Seed. So it's lentil basil chips and it's gluten-free. Alright, so you can check them out at thegoodseed.ph. Okay, let's go try it. It's made out of lentil and basil.
Lentil and basil.
Alright. Okay, wala siyang flavor na nakalagay, but let's go try it. Okay, so this is what it looks like.
So you can see the basil.
May naalala ako sa kanya. Lasa siyang shingaling.
Yeah,
diba?
True, shingaling. Pero you can actually taste the basil flavor. It's not as salty. So yung mahilig sa maalat.
Parang masarap to.
But if you like the crunch,
may salsa.
Yeah, tomato.
Kasi may basil eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Ang deep ng palate natin. Our next is, ito palagi ako bumibili nito. So, it's steak root kale chips. Alright, so what does it say? It's junk-free snacks, dried, not fried. This one is the sour cream and chive. Alright, so this is made in the Philippines. So there's 2 servings.
Ang ganda ng packaging, no?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
And it also comes in a Ziploc container. You don't expect it to be like regular chips, like potato chips. This looks very natural and unprocessed because it's like a whole leaf. Oh, diba? I love this. Come to think of it, I love fried kangkong. And you don't need to season this anymore kasi malasa na siya.
It's not too salty.
You know, I munch on this while watching Netflix. It's like really good.
Hindi mo masasabing lasang vegetable eh. But there's, you know, a natural taste to it.
Does this satisfy chichirya cravings? Yun yung...
Honestly, for me, hindi. Mas chichirya siya than this.
Okay.
Because this is more crunchy. Siya, it's just flaky.
Next is Jalee's Mushroom Farm Mushroom Chicharon.
Okay. So if it's chicharon, it must be good.
I know, diba? So this one has no MSG.
Oh, peri-peri flavor.
So it's peri-peri flavor. Alright, let's go try it. Okay, so again, it came with that Ziploc bag. Okay, so peri-peri flavor. Alright, let's go try it. Well, sarap. Pwede nga maging addicting yan. I really love chicharon if I dip it in suka. I really want to know though if what are the health benefits of eating mushroom. Google is your friend. Let's Google it later. Will it satisfy your chichirya cravings?
It satisfies my in terms of flavor, huh? I like the flavor.
Yeah.
Siya. Overall, it's good. It tastes good.
Okay, and lastly, we have vegetarian healthy bites. So it's called Sunaku mushroom cracklings, but this time it's made out of shiitake chichashroom. Yun talaga yung nakasulat sa kanya.
Chichashroom.
Alright, so what does it say? There's no pork, 0 trans fat, vegan, gluten-free, no preservatives, no artificial flavors or colors, and it's low carbon. but this one
Oh,
looks, it looks like real chicharon.
Yeah.
I mean, this one looks like chicharon bituka. Diba?
The small one.
Yung giants mukhang chicharon bituka.
Looks
Ito
like
mukhang
chicharon.
totoong chicharon. Oh, lasang chicharon
Ano
ba?
lasang chicharon?
Girl,
In fairness!
it has that crunch that you're looking for in chicharon.
Oh, ayan na. Kompleto na.
Ayan. Try natin with the
Sige. Masarap na siya.
Try natin with suka. Yeah. This one is more like chicharon.
Chicharon,
This
no?
one's more of chicharon bituka. Diba?
Yeah.
So, this is for this episode. So, if you want to visit Gourmet Corner, you can find them in San Antonio. It's right beside Santi's and Rustan's. So, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching.
If you'd like to watch more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and the bell to stay updated with Fine, Fun, and Fab. And please leave a comment. Can't wait to converse with you. See you guys in our next episode. Ciao!